Hello nail friends. Welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we are going to do a not polish review, and I'm going to show you guys some powders I got. This is my first ever not polish review, so stay tuned for that. Here are the set of nails I did on my last video using the amazing Koopa odorless monomer. Cannot recommend it enough, you guys. Actually odorless, and it worked like a dream. Highly recommend. So these gorgeous nails I did in my last video. How is everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. Everybody is staying safe and enjoying the last few weeks of their summer vacation. So you guys, I have a lot to talk about with these not polished colors coming up. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. I got these 4 colors from mercari. I believe that is how you pronounce it. It is a application with used and new things, and you can get them for a discounted price. I believe I paid 40 something for these 4 not polished colors, and I also bought the monomer and one of the individual colors by itself from Not Polish itself. So this is my first Not Polish order, you guys, and I kind of had issues with them. Unfortunately, I'm super disappointed. So the powders are beautiful. The consistency was really nice, but I tried to do a nail set with the powder and the monomer, and it worked really nicely. But let me tell you, like the first nail set I did, I filed them completely off. I waited literally like, I don't know, 10 minutes after I applied both hands, and I went to file, and I used all the same stuff. I have a fine tapered carbide bit, and then I even switched on one nail to fine sanding band because I thought maybe the tapered 5-in-1 bit was too rough, so I switched to sanding band. And it still filed it off. So the second set I did, I literally waited like 20 minutes, and then I was like sure that it was like fully cured. So I don't know if there's something wrong with the specific monomer that I got, but it took forever to cure. So I'm going to get back to that. Here we are into the swatches, you guys. So here are the swatches. These are beautiful colors. Now, really weird, you guys. So this color is called Orchid, and like you saw how beautiful it swatched, right? But then like when I came to swatch it on the paper, it was like a purple gray. Like I thought maybe, okay, maybe this is like one of those thermal color changing acrylics, and I looked online excuse me, and it wasn't. So I don't know what's up with this powder, you guys. Here I tried again. Like I pick it up, the color is beautiful, right? Gorgeous purple. I come to swatch, it's like a gray, like a purple gray. Super weird. So I did, oh my god, I tried to contact them so much, you guys. I tried to contact them on their Facebook. And then their Facebook is like, oh, that's a warehouse issue. So I'm like, okay, great. So I call the warehouse, and then the warehouse had no clue what I'm talking about. They're like, we just ship, we don't know. So email us. So I emailed them, and I emailed back and forth until they responded. And they're like, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. They were super nice. They're like, call us at this number, and we'll get the issue resolved for you. So I called literally, you guys. Like I've been calling 4 days in a row. I left voicemails and everything, and no one calls me back, and I can't get through. So I emailed them back, and no one's answering me. So I mean, I love it. Like the powders were great, but like this Orchid is like a gray purple, so I don't know how I'm going to use that. And the monomer works great, but it takes forever to dry. I mean, these swatches, I put them outside in the sun for like 10 minutes, and they still like when you touch them, they had like you could get like a dent in it. So I mean, the second time I did my nails with their monomer, I just like waited 20 minutes after I applied to make sure that they were dry. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys experienced that. Like I swear to God, the Koopa monomer dried faster. The Koopa monomer dried in like 2 minutes, and you just have to wipe off that inhibition layer. And this is an odorless monomer, and I know usually odorless monomers take forever to dry, but this one was awesome, you guys. And then like this one's chalky. Like I don't know. I know that their butters are supposed to, their acrylics are like known for being super buttery. And like they were really, really nice. But like, look how long it's taking. Do you guys see that? For the powder to, liquid to soak up the powder. I don't know. So, I mean, I was a little bit disappointed. Don't get me wrong. I'm still going to use them. I already did a set with them on my hands. Again, that set was one that I waited like the 20 minutes. Because the first set that I did, I waited like 10 minutes, 15 minutes after I applied them to file. And they just like filed right off, you know, like in chunks where you can tell that the acrylic underneath is not fully cured. So, I don't know. I mean, I still really, really love it. By the way, you guys, so check out Mercari, right? So, some of these I got from the Not Polished website. I did get some of them from the Not Polished website with the monomer and the powder. And then some of them I got off of Mercari. Let me check my iPod. I believe that's how you call it. I mean, I just recently got into it, and you can get some pretty good things, so, but don't be fooled though, because some things on there are like full price. So like supposedly you think you're getting a good deal and it's not. Yeah, it's called mercari, so check them out. But yeah, these are the swatches of the colors. I mean, they swatch beautifully. I really, really like them, but I did have that problem with the company. Let me know, you guys, what you think. These swatches came out beautiful though, except for that one orchid color. But okay, you guys, so that is it for today. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is the last color coming up. Let me know if you guys have the same problem as I do. Make sure to check me out on Facebook and Instagram. I will link those down below. I don't know why I haven't been, but I will link those down below for you guys, my Facebook and Instagram. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!